All right, you guys, today is day 3 of our reptiles. What does this look like?
Kind of looks like a tank for a turtle to live in.
A tank for a turtle. All right, so you should have a little bag filled with little turtles. Dump them out. Dump them out, dump them out. And then you should have a die. Why do I call it a die? Why is it not dice?
Because die is for 1, dice is for 2.
There you go.
That's
I
fine.
know some people are like, kids are like, why? No, that's a dice. No, it's a die.
Yep.
If I had 2, it would be dice. Okay, so I have my die. We're gonna roll it. We're gonna count 1, 2, and then we're gonna find some turtles and put them in our tank. So now we have 2 turtles in our tank. All right. You can also use your dry erase marker on this. And you can start writing your numbers that you roll down the side. Okay. If you don't know how to write the number, give me the dots. All right. So that was my first roll. Let's see what else I get. Let me clear my board. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. See if you can. Is it backwards?
It's backwards.
Yeah.
Sorry,
I
Miss
started
Chrissy.
to draw it and I was like, that's backwards.
You can just draw the dots if you don't know how to write it, Miss Chrissy.
There you go. There's my dots. I'm writing upside down, Miss Rachel. Oh, let me clear my board. All right, let's see. Oh, I got 5 again.
And you get more practice. There you go.
That's right. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get more practice. It was like, you need to learn to write upside down.
There we go. Hey, you did it this time. See?
I did.
Practice makes perfect.
All right, let's see.
Are you kidding me?
What? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
All right. Woo!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Excellent.
All right. Let's see. Let's do one more time. And then we'll try something different. Woo!
All
3
right.
this time.
Moving on.
1, 2, 3. All right. So that's probably about all I have. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. That's one way to do this. Next. Ready?
Yes, let's
All
do
right.
it.
Roll it.
Got him.
1.
1.
All right. There's my 1. Roll it again.
Ooh, roll it again.
Ooh. 1.
All right.
All right.
Now what happens?
So, we'll roll it twice, put it in your tank, and then count how many's in your tank. So I rolled 1. I rolled 1. Together I have 1, 2. All right. So now I've got 2 right there. All right, clear your board. Let's try it again. All right, that's a big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought I had 2 of them. All right. Am I going to get another big one? Oh, nope. 1, 2, 3. So I have 5 and 1, 2, 3. All right. So we rolled it twice. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. There's 8. Clear your board and you try it again. Do it all the way down until you fill up the bottom. All right. One more way to do it. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, I mean, there's many ways you can do it.
Yep.
But take your turtles, count them, put them in your tank. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 turtles. All right, we're gonna start with 12. Gonna roll the die. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're gonna start with 12 and we're gonna take 5 out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many is left? We started with 12. We took out 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7. 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 left. Okay, so you can do subtraction too. You can take them away. If you are just beginning and you want to bring in your Play-Doh or your Wiki Sticks and you roll, you can just match on your main board. So if I rolled 6, I would count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I would just put them on my board exact same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I would try to write a big 6. Or put your dots. Or use your Play-Doh or your silly string. Sticky string. Not silly string. Don't use silly string.
Yeah, I know.
Sticky string. Or Wiki Sticks. Okay? So many ways to use this board. When you're done, wipe it clean. Put all your turtles back in your little bag. Save it for a rainy day. All right, you guys. That is all I have for day 3. Turtle Tank Math. Bye, you guys.